it's me. This is not a Navien. No, it's not. This is the plumbing stack wall. This is the customer's front door. This is their dining room. This is their living room. Nice hardwood flooring throughout the entire first floor. All right. And we have some water damage to the wood flooring there from a leak inside this wall. Let me show you something downstairs. This is why it pays to be observant of your surroundings. Now, customer came down here the other day, actually no, today, saw that there was water on the floor, opens up this panel, I have an electric panel there. This is saturated. And if we look inside there, see if I can get you in there. There is a 4-inch PVC stack, which runs the perimeter of the basement. See, there it is. All right. It's hard to see, but it goes up to the second and third floor. Second and third floor bathroom. And they said, hey, my daughter just took a bath earlier, and I went downstairs and saw all the water. Now, it's a moot point for me to open up down below. So we're gonna open up here and have a little exploratory hole. Let's see what we find. All right, I've exposed a little bit of the 4-inch stack, and as I'm digging into the sheetrock, the sheetrock, I noticed that we have 2 layers here, and possibly even a third. And you can see, it looks like I got some mold starting to grow in between the 2 sections, this outer section and this inner section. So I'm gonna put on a respirator, and we're gonna carefully open up a little bit more. We're gonna get a good draft going in the house. I don't want these spores to travel. And then we're gonna see what the extent of this leak is. But based on the appearance that I see right here, we know it's above more up there. And maybe the joint failed where they connect, but right now I just need to protect myself and protect the house, and of course the occupants of the house, to make sure that we don't let this stuff spread anywhere. All right, been on site approximately 20 minutes. I opened up the wall, and here is our 4-inch PVC. There's our 4-inch no-hub coupling, and here's what remains of the 4-inch hubbed cast iron. You can see it's cracked and causing the leak, and also the secondary damage, the mold growing inside the sheetrock. We're gonna tape this off and let the homeowner know what's going on, and they have to get a mediation company out here. All right, so while I'm cleaning up, the toilet upstairs just all of a sudden flushed, and the house is over 100 years old. Maybe there's a ghost, I don't know, but look at this. All right, it's pretty bad here. Look at that. Cast iron just cracked. Crazy. Let's take a look at what we did. 4-inch PVC. We used the Husky clamp right here. New piece of 4-inch. Used the grinder and cut the hub of that fitting right there, and got them up and running. So now they can use the 2nd and 3rd floor bathrooms and not kill. Oh, what is this, a dry mat, huh? Well, your insurance company doesn't want to give you a new floor, huh? Well, let's see about that. All right. Earlier today, we finished up this repair on the cracked 4-inch cast iron waste stack, servicing the second and third floor bathrooms on this house. And I called him when we were done, the homeowner that is, and he goes, listen, Mikey Pipes, I know you're the celebrity plumber. He's like, but I gotta go to the bank. I don't want to pay you cash. I'm like, okay, no problem. I was like, you want to stop by my office? You want me to come by later? I was like, listen, if you can come by later, that'd be great. And I was like, all right, no problem. So, end of the day, job's not too far from my house. I'm gonna park my truck at the shop, hop in the J-Wagon, the J-Wagon, because I ain't blowing through the cash on a G-Wagon, you know that. But let's go get paid. All right. So apparently, he just got back from Florida. So only appropriate that I wear the combat COVID mask. Compliments of DeSantis and Palm Beach County. All right. Let's go get paid. All right. You know the rule. Raw, uncut, unedited. Let's see what we got going on. You're not Bency. And neither are you. Where is Bency? What? Well, I don't show your, you know.
He has gone
I told him I was coming.
out. You want him in the video?
What?
You want him in the video?
Yes, that was the whole purpose.
Oh, okay, fine.
He said he had a sack of cash for me for the video, and I said Mikey Pipes was going to make him a celebrity. What happened? All right. I got all these air movers. They cut the carpet. Obviously, they're going to have to replace all the carpeting here, repaint the whole basement. But let's take a look. There's a 4-inch. You got a 4-inch TY with a clean out. And that goes up to that area we saw before. Good stuff. I still don't get this stuff. Oh, it's not hinged. Electric panel. Maybe that's compromised. I don't know, but you know, I gotta get new carpeting down here, obviously. Also, you can seam it back in, but nah, not gonna happen. All right, let's wait for him to pay me. Don't you guys just hate waiting for them to come home? I've been actually sitting here with the customer's daughter, just talking. Because I'm not saying she did this, but she took a bath upstairs the other day and caused a flood. And thank God they don't have to move out of the house. Just saying. But oh, I think he's here. I think he's coming. Okay? There he is. Hey, how you been?
Hey, what's up?
What's going on? Oh, what's this? Oh. What? Are we playing Monopoly? You know, I always cheat at Monopoly. Oh, we'll trade. Wow. Yeah, show me the money. Thank you very much. I hope you're very impressed with the job we did.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. I really appreciate it.
A little something for you.
Oh. Wow, you're the man, Bency. You're the man. Thank you. Hug it out. Yeah. Good stuff. Guys, look what we did. Mikey Pipes got paid. Boom. And got a tip too. Look at the great job we did here. We cut this out. He has to deal with the asbestos, which is there. But they cut out all the wall, got rid of the mold, the mildew. I don't know what that's about right there, but the floor is buckling, but the money's holding it down. Subscribe, like, notification bell, comments, thoughts, feedback down in the comment section down below. Thank you. God bless. Be well. As you guys know, I absolutely love what I do. It's in my blood. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's in the blood. And there's nothing like getting the job done. And this platform, this YouTube platform, allows me to just express myself and show others generally how a professional should do the job. And yeah, my hair's a mess, you know, it should be better, but uncut, unedited, just raw. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe, like, and make sure you hit that notification bell, because you will truly support the channel and let us grow. All right? Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. God bless, be well, and most importantly, stay safe. Peace out.